Alright guys, so this is our cinnamon honey butter. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make a honey cinnamon butter, and I am excited to try this because I've had this like so many years ago and I've been wanting to make it at home. So I'm gonna make it here with you guys for the very first time, and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. And I am excited because tomorrow is Thanksgiving and I am making this, and hopefully everybody else loves it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are going to need powdered sugar, we're gonna need butter, we are going to need honey, and we are going to need cinnamon. This is literally everything you guys need, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so to a bowl you're gonna add your 2 sticks of butter, and they have to be room temperature so it can be like soft. And these are the ones that are half a cup each, so it's just gonna be 1 cup of butter basically. So to that you're going to add 2 teaspoons of the ground cinnamon and 2/3 cups of powdered sugar. And then you're going to add 6 tablespoons of honey. And then you just want to whisk this until it is all flipped out. You can scoop everything down just to make sure that you're mixing everything together. You can go ahead and taste it. That actually tastes really good and it's so fluffy. And we're gonna go ahead and put this in a container. Okay guys, so go ahead and take your mason jars, your little containers or anything, and fill them up with your cinnamon honey butter. And there you guys have them, your 2 little jars. You can pat them down just so all the air bubbles can go out. But yeah, you basically get 2 little containers out of this. Alright guys, so this is our cinnamon honey butter, and we are going to have it with cinnamon raisin toast. But you can definitely have this with, you know, the baked sweet potatoes. Just put this on top of it. And some roasted marshmallows. That sounds hella bomb. You can also have it with your biscuits on like Thanksgiving or Christmas, which is what we're gonna actually have it with tomorrow. We're gonna have them with some biscuits. And you can also give these away like little party favors or something, you know, during the holidays, like little presents. You can just jar them up and put like a little ribbon so it can look cute. And yeah guys, we're about to have this and give it a little taste test. Alright guys, so we're just gonna take a piece of our toast. Look at how smooth that is. That looks so good. And now for the taste test. You guys, this is so good. You know how people put butter on their pancakes, their muffins, waffles and all that? You guys, this is the one that you guys need to put on there. It's so good. Alright guys, so there you guys have it, your cinnamon honey butter. You guys need to try it. It's so good. So yeah, make sure you guys give this a try. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.